Hello friends, welcome to Auto Study, way to change the learning of automobile. Today we will tell you the 10 most important questions asked in automobile. So before moving on to the questions, we will ask you the question of the day. So the question of the day is, the negative plates of a lead acid battery has. Now without wasting any time, let's start. So the first question is, the function of an anti-lock braking system is that. As we know, the function of an anti-lock braking system is to maintain directional control during braking by preventing the wheels from locking. An anti-lock braking system is a safety anti-skid braking system used on aircraft and on land vehicles. ABS operates by preventing the wheels from locking up during braking, thereby maintaining the tractive contact with the road surface. So the correct option is C. Now the next and second question is, the basic characteristics of a brake fluid is. Brake fluid is subjected to very high temperatures, especially in the wheel cylinder of drum brakes and disc brake calipers. It must have a high boiling point to avoid vaporizing within the lines. Low viscosity, compatibility with rubber and metal parts. So the correct option is D. Now the next and third question is, the wheelbase of a vehicle is. Here the correct option is A. The wheelbase of a vehicle is the distance between the centers of the front and rear wheels. Now the next and fourth question is, the purpose of transmission in an automobile is. The function of any transmission is transferring engine power to the drive shaft and rear wheels. Gears inside the transmission change the vehicle's drive wheel speed and torque in relation to engine speed and torque. So the correct answer is B. Now the next and the fifth question is, the stroke of an engine is. So the correct answer is D. The stroke of an engine is the distance between TDC and BDC. Now the next and the sixth question is, the basic part of the engine to which the other engine parts are attached or assembled is. Did you know? An engine block is the structure which contains the cylinder and other parts of the internal combustion engine. In an early automotive engine, the engine block consisted of just the cylinder block, to which the separate crankcase was attached. So the correct answer is C. The basic part of the engine to which the other engine parts are attached or assembled is the cylinder block. Now the next and the seventh question is, the function of an alternator in an automobile is. Alternators are used in modern automobiles to change the battery and to power the electric system when its engine is running. So the correct answer is C. Now the next and the eighth question is, the power source of a brake booster is. The correct answer is C. The power source of a brake booster is the pressure difference between the atmospheric pressure and the vacuum pressure in the intake manifold. Now the next and the ninth question is, petrol that donates easily is called. As you know, the higher the octane number, the more compression the fuel can withstand before detonating. Therefore, high compressibility of the fuel matters mainly for gasoline engines. Use of gasoline with lower octane numbers may lead to the problem of engine knocking. So the correct answer is low octane petrol. Now the next and the last question is, the device for smoothing out the power impulses from the engine is called. So the correct answer is C. The flywheel is a mechanical device specifically designed to efficiently store rotational energy. Flywheel resists changes in rotational speed by their moment of inertia. The amount of energy stored in a flywheel is proportional to the square of its rotational speed. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask us in comment box section. And don't forget to answer the question of the day. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I'll get motivated for making more such learning videos.